Hi, I wanted to show you how to mix the lemonade for the master cleanse. So you'll know what to do for today and each one of the 10 days that you're on it. If you want to go longer, you certainly can. As you go through the master cleanse, days 1, 2, and 3 tend to be hard, actually 2 and 3. Then you feel great on day 4. There's a detox cycle that happens around day 6 or 7, usually 7. And then by 10, you feel really great and you've cleaned out not only the current stuff, but you've also started to take layers of the old stuff off as well. That's why you should go the whole 10 days. And keep in mind on days 2 and 3 when it's rough, that it gets beautiful on day 4 and as you go on. So the lemonade. I have these quart bottles, plastic bottles of lemonade. I've done it for a long time and done websites on it, sold it. At one time, I had a forum on the Master Cleanse of about 50,000 postings, 20,000 members, and I used to sell these bottles, but I don't now. If you're interested in one, please let me know, because one bottle holds 3 drinks, and the minimum for the Master Cleanse is 6. So if you get 2 of these bottles, you're set for the whole day. And you don't have to do any more preparation or anything like that. You can take them to work. So I've already squeezed 3 ounces of lemonade into this quart bottle. And the ratio is 1 ounce for in a 10-ounce container of lemonade. And then you want to add maple syrup. And in my case, because my blood sugar tends to run a little high, I'm going to do half and half, both maple syrup and molasses. And if you're a full-on diabetic, you should use just molasses. If you're pre-diabetic, go for about half and half. And then you want to put in 3/10 of a teaspoon of cayenne. Now, you can't find 1/10 of a teaspoon measures. So what I do is I use 1/4 of a teaspoon measure of cayenne, and I just make it a rounded 1/4 teaspoon. And then just go ahead and fill it up with water. You'll have yourself all the drinks you need for the day.